Happy Thursday, 8th graders. Here we go. We're going to continue on with our second president of the United States, John Adams. Did you catch that at the end of last assignment? That he, being a Federalist, got the most votes, so he became president. But the guy that got the second most votes automatically becomes vice president, and he was from another party, Thomas Jefferson. That would be like if Donald Trump was our president and Hillary Clinton was our vice president. He got the most electoral votes in 2016. She got the second most electoral votes in 2016. Can you imagine if these two were trying to run an administration together? Very different views, wondering if anything would get done. Obviously, this little hiccup is going to get changed in the Constitution after this. But for now, we have John Adams president. He is a Federalist. Remember, that means big government, loose interpretation, right? So he is going to take that maybe a little bit too far. And by the end of his first term already, people feel like that the government is too big, has too much power. It doesn't start that way. He starts off on a good foot. Could you look in your book here at page 259? Page 259. We're going to just read that first paragraph together. John Adams spent most of his public life in public service. He was well known as one of Massachusetts' most active patriots in the period before and during the Revolutionary War. He served 2 terms as vice president under Washington before becoming president. His time in office, however, was troubled. All right? So he kind of comes in with a great reputation. Lots of people like him, but things don't go well for him in a few areas, and it's kind of a time of turmoil and trouble for him. Let's take a look at what events lead to that. Your assignment for today is for you to read the rest of the lesson. So page 259, 260, and 261. Please read carefully. And you're going to kind of fill in this chart, okay? First, the XYZ affair. It's a foreign affair that happens with France. Tell me 4 things about that event. Explain it to me in 4 bullets. Well, people start becoming suspicious of foreigners after that. That causes the Alien and Sedition Acts. Tell me 2 bullets about each one of those acts. Tell me about them. Summarize them. Well, the Democratic Republicans, Thomas Jefferson, saw these acts as tyranny, way too much power for the government. So then comes the Virginia and Kentucky resolutions. Tell me about that in 3 bullets. So one thing leads to another here. So you're going to summarize this time period in these 3 boxes. Then when you're done with that, there is literally a 2-minute video here by Discovery Education. Here's the login again. Don't use your Google login. Use this login. It's about these same events. Summarizes it again. Tell me 2 more things that you learned from the video about these events. Please put that in your own words. When you are done with reading the graphic organizer and the video, you are done for Thursday. All right? I love when you guys are emailing me with questions or hopping on Google Meet to chat. Keep that up, Chargers. Have a great Thursday.